Hi, this is Rick Case, the developer of the construction cost engineering cost estimating software. And I'm going to show you how we do an infrastructure cost estimate. I'm going to give you an example. It's going to be a fire alarm upgrade. And we're going to price it for Atlanta for 2012.
Okay, let's start up the software. Now I need to find something to use as a template. Last time I used a model. This time I'll use an old project as a template. So I search for infrastructure, and I select this Miami alarm upgrade. Now I'll use this project as my model. It's a 10,000 square foot office space fire alarm upgrade. We'll use this as the basis for a 15,000 square foot project. So I use my resize tool. And then I review the quantities. Only need one panel. When I finish reviewing the quantities and adjusting them, I can update the costs to reflect Atlanta 2012. So I go to my cost update tool, now let's adjust the cost of the fire alarm panel. We only have one panel, but this will be a bigger panel because it's a bigger building. So I'm going to increase the cost to reflect a larger panel. Now I'll update the costs and go to the reports. Now I can print reports in bare, burdened, or full cost format. I'm going to use bare cost here. Here's the summary report. And here's the detail report. And that's our budget estimate based on very little data, just the square footage and the location. Now let's say we saved this project and the project moved forward, and now there are drawings and we have actual counts. We can use this estimate as the template and use the actual counts from the drawings to create a design drawing estimate. So using the counts from the drawings, I update the quantities for any changes. And now I can go to my reports. And here's my design drawing estimate. So what we've done is two estimates. One on very little information, one with counts.
So what you just saw was a production of a budget estimate from very little data, just a square foot number, and then using that estimate as a template for a design drawing estimate when you had some actual counts from the drawings to produce a second estimate.